I'm Kathy Lueders. I'm the Program Manager for NASA's Commercial Crew Program. The agency is really looking at commercial partnerships and how do we share, and not just this is all NASA produced, but how do we then enable really a commercial industry and capability for the future. Our number one goal is to provide our need in a way that allows innovation and to be a partner to them and to realize it takes both of us pulling in the same direction for us to meet our goals. Because industry owns the systems, these systems are then available for future exploration architectures and concepts. We are all pieces of a puzzle and we all fit together, and we honestly build on each other to lay out this picture of the overall human exploration goals that we have and that the nation has given to us. I went out to the White Sands Test Facility and they picked me up when I was still in school and hired me through the end of my bachelor's, and then I was the quality engineer that set up the White Sands Shuttle RCS depot. Did that for a year, and then they hired me up into the propulsion test office, and I was the depot manager. I actually worked on all the OMS RCS components, bringing them in-house to repair them and process them for the shuttle program. It was a huge learning experience. I was basically acting as a subcontractor to USA at the time, and so it taught me about being commercial in a government way. Station program came and asked me to come to the Johnson Space Center. There I did subsequent jobs. One of the most important, I think, was I was a Vehicle Systems Integration Manager on station, where I was in charge of all the vehicle subsystem managers and really during the design and sustaining engineering phase, and so really understood how to have distributed responsibility across engineering and yet kind of working all the development and design, and at that time we had elements on orbit too. Finally, then they brought me in to do the COTS integration job. When you look back, you realize how, kind of like the puzzle piece, you realize how all these pieces have kind of made it, in some ways, a perfect situation for me now to be leading this team. I almost feel like in a lot of ways, when you look back, you kind of feel like, you know, wow, it's amazing how this particular experience I kind of laid out, that it really provided me with this background right now to be able to help really the commercial crew program and the partners go and figure out a way to then execute on this next phase of our program.